This 2018 Keystone Montana High Country 345RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 36 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 4, air conditioning, awning, external shower, refrigerator, slide-out, water heater, auxiliary battery, oven, microwave, leveling jacks, and 64 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Keystone Montana High Country 345RL is 11,220 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.